Hey guys, welcome, it's Alex from KindSpirit Technology YouTube channel. So as you know, I already did one episode on Stellar Database Recovery Tool. But now we are going to address additional question. We are going to address older standard that used ibdata1 file. And that was single file that holds all of structure and data of your database. So as I said, this was like old technology. This was first design of MySQL database, and many companies are still using that kind of standard. But this standard is obsolete. Why? Because if corruption happens, entire database is going to be corrupted. It was very hard for a backup. It was very hard for extraction. Maintenance could easily become headache. If you delete some data from that database, file size of database it's not going to be changed. Therefore, that file can grow in size really fast, and many other problems. For that reason, new standard was created. With new standard, you are going to get one file per table. And this is actually better solution for various reasons. But as I said, still too many companies are using old standard. And Stellar Database Repair Tool can deal with that problem too. But now, if for testing purposes you want to create a database with old standard, you have to tweak some settings. Let me show you. First, we have to stop this database service. So if you are on Windows, go to Services, find your database service and stop it. Now, navigate to location where your database is installed. Go to Data and check this one, my.ini file. We have to tweak one setting. Let me show you. I'm going to look for it now. Yeah, it's this one. InnoDB file per table. By default, this value is set to 1, but if you want to deal with old standard databases, you have to set it to 0. And now, entire content of that new database that you have created is going to be in this file, ibdata1. Now I'm going to take this entire directory and I'm going to copy it to my desktop. Now I'm going to open my Stellar Repair tool for MySQL. And I'm going to navigate to this file. Going to check data entire directory. Okay, I'm going to repair all of those, although there is nothing to be repaired. Let me check. This is customers, sellers, and trade table. Everything is in here. And now I'm going to corrupt this file in order to show you how Stellar Repair tool for MySQL actually works. So basically we want to see a real repair process. So I'm going to open data. I'm going to find ibdata1 and I'm going to open it with Hex Editor. Alright, and now I'm going to corrupt it by changing some values intentionally. Okay, this is going to be enough for some basic example. I'm going to save it, alright, and now I'm going to open it again with Stellar Repair tool. Let's go to customers. I don't see any error in here. Well, as you can see, everything is quite ordinary. So guys, as you can see, test was successful. So if you are using older standard too, Stellar Repair can still be handy for you. Therefore, if you are system administrator, it's smart having this tool around. But of course, like in every other case, your success is going to depend on level of corruption. And that basically means the more of your database has suffered because of some reason, harder is going to be to recover those data. So guys, that would be all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So, see ya!